If you want to know how I take my hair from this to this every single week, then you have definitely come to the right video. So per usual, wash day starts by me getting in the shower and just rinsing out any dirt or gunk that my hair has accumulated. I also did have leftover gel in my hair from a previous style, so I was just making sure that that got washed out properly. So next up is wash care. I'm going to be shampooing my hair with Aussie shampoo. Okay, so I take the shampoo and I apply it to my roots, but I'm not scratching my scalp with my nails. I'm more massaging my scalp with the tip of my fingers. I know a lot of you guys, when you guys use shampoos, you guys don't really know how to use them, so you guys just tend to leave them on the surface of your hair, but make sure to actually apply it to your roots because that's what needs to get cleaned. Okay, so I washed out the shampoo and this is what my hair looks like. Okay, so I'm going to be using Haircare Strawberry Conditioner to condition my hair and to also help me detangle. There's really no special way to add in conditioner. I just go in a back and forth motion and that seems to work for me. I feel like a lot of you guys tend to buy really expensive shampoos and conditioners that don't really work as well for your hair. So I'm going to tell you guys some of the things that I've bought that really work for my hair. Food for Soft Conditioner and Shampoo by Matrix, Aussie Conditioner and Shampoo, and Haircare Conditioner. And for the detangling process, it really didn't take me that long. I didn't use a comb or anything like that. I tried to detangle with my fingers to see how it worked, and it actually worked really well. Okay, so to style my hair, I'm going to be using this gel by Shea Moisture. Okay, so basically what I do is I take the gel and I just smooth it onto my section. And if it's a little bit too tangled, I usually just take a tail comb and just detangle it real quick. And then after smoothing the gel into my section, I just let my section just drop like that. What this is called is doing the shingling method. So as you guys can probably tell, the front of my hair looks like finger coils. And the reason why is because I usually like the front of my hair to be a little bit more defined than the rest. Alright, so I'm going to explain this one more time. So I take the gel and I apply it to my section. And if it's too tangled, I usually just separate it, try to get my fingers in there, or I just use a comb to just detangle it. And then if my section is too big, I usually just split it in half and then do the shingling method and then let my section go. Let me know in the comments if you guys really understand the shingling method. If not, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments and I will surely answer you. I really don't understand why this gel isn't more popular because it's such an amazing gel. I don't know if you guys have heard of the Duke's Big Papa gel, but it's such an amazing gel, and this gel that I'm using by Shea Moisture is literally the exact replica. Both gels give me that hold and definition and no crunch. That's what I really love about these gels. Also, another really good gel that I've been using for quite some time is Eco Styler gel. I really like the shingling method because it doesn't really take that long other than like finger coils. Like finger coils would take me forever if I was doing it like this, but yeah. One thing that helps me get my curls to just pop way more is spray water after I finish the section. I don't know, it's just something about spraying my hair with water after defining my curls just helps my curls to just pop way more. And this is what my hair looks like. I think I'm about like halfway done, but yeah. The whole styling process of my hair took me about an hour and a half. Which is regular for me because that's the amount of time I usually take to do my hair anyways. And now I am finally done and this is what my hair looks like. I loved how my hair turned out. I think this was definitely a success. But anyways, this is the end of my video. If you guys liked it, make sure to like the video and make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions or comments. So just let me know and I'll definitely answer you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.